The vegan diet is a dietary approach that excludes all animal-derived products, including meat, dairy, eggs, and other animal-derived products. Vegans opt for a plant-based diet, primarily composed of plant-origin foods. Here are some important aspects of the vegan diet. Allowed foods: fresh fruits and vegetables, whole grains, brown rice, quinoa, oats, etc. Legumes: beans, lentils, chickpeas, etc. Nuts: almonds, walnuts, cashews, etc. Seeds: chia, flaxseed, sunflower seeds, etc. Plant-based products like tofu, tempeh, and seitan. Plant-based milks: almond milk, soy milk, etc. Vegetable oils: olive oil, coconut oil, etc. Exclusion of animal-derived products: all types of meat, red meat, chicken, fish, etc. Dairy products: milk, cheese, yogurt, etc. Eggs and products containing eggs, honey, and other animal-derived products like gelatin. Motivation: people adopt vegan diets for various reasons, including ethical concerns about animal rights, environmental concerns related to meat production, and health concerns. Potential benefits: a well-planned vegan diet can be rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. It can aid in weight loss due to its low saturated fat and cholesterol content. Studies suggest it may reduce the risk of heart diseases, type 2 diabetes, and some types of cancer. It contributes to reducing environmental impact, such as lowering greenhouse gas emissions and resource use. Challenges: it's important to carefully plan a vegan diet to ensure all nutritional needs are met, including proteins, iron, vitamin B12, calcium, and omega-3 fatty acids. Supplementing specific vitamins or minerals may be necessary depending on dietary choices and individual needs. Some processed vegan foods can be high in empty calories and additives, so healthy choices are essential. Diversity and creativity: the vegan diet offers a wide range of culinary options, encouraging creativity in the kitchen. Many vegan recipes and foods can be equally delicious and satisfying. It's important to remember that a well-balanced vegan diet can be healthy and suitable for all life stages, from childhood to old age. However, careful planning and education about specific nutritional needs are essential to avoid deficiencies and ensure a complete and balanced diet. Consulting with a nutritionist or dietitian can be extremely helpful in ensuring you obtain all necessary nutrients in your vegan diet. Does following a vegan diet for 1 month work? Yes, following a vegan diet can help with weight loss as long as it is well planned and balanced. Weight loss occurs when you consume fewer calories than you burn, creating a calorie deficit. A vegan diet can contribute to weight loss in several ways. Calorie reduction: many animal-based foods are high in calories, saturated fat, and cholesterol. By eliminating these foods from your diet, you can naturally reduce your calorie intake. High fiber foods: the vegan diet tends to be rich in fiber due to the consumption of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Fiber helps increase satiety, which can lead to a lower calorie intake. Low saturated fat content: most sources of fat in the vegan diet are plant-based, which generally means less saturated fat. This can be beneficial for heart health and weight loss. Natural and whole foods: the emphasis on unprocessed and whole foods in a vegan diet can promote healthier food choices, reducing the consumption of processed and sugar-laden foods. Reduction in dairy and sugars: many dairy products and processed foods contain added sugars. By avoiding these products, you can reduce your intake of empty sugars. Click on subscribe and start your transformation journey today. The best version of yourself is just a click away. Join us on the path to a healthier and happier life.